Hello children, today I am going to tell you about doodle art. So we came with the pencil shading. Now we are going to learn doodle art. See here, now I am writing Z in different fonts. Calligraphy is nothing but writing an alphabet in different style. That is called calligraphy. See here, Z I am writing in a different style. O O D. So you can write this D in this type. And V. Okay. Y. E. So next again you're writing in double layer. Doodle art, you should write every alphabet in double layer. If you write in double layer, then only you can draw the doodle art. So Z is finished. See here, and O must be like this. Pass. Pass. Start. O. So D, why I wrote like this, you can see. Now by shading the second one, you can get the D like this. Yeah. See this side. Yeah. And adjust this side like this. Okay. So B in a special way. This is a calligraphy font, and also I included the cursive writing B and calligraphy B to show in a different manner alphabet. It is called calligraphy. And while you are doing calligraphy, you can do or doodle art also. It also based upon the font style. So Y, yes, you can write E also like this. E. So finish here, then you can, yeah. So double layer you had given. Now we are going to do doodle art. Doodle art is nothing but you can give the formation of like this. Yes, you can give this form. Cone designs will be there, no? You can do like that also. Yes. Don't forget, give the same shade to the alphabet. All alphabet totally you should give one shading, then it will look nice. If you give double layer, double shading to one alphabet, it will look awkward. You can give same shading to all the alphabet. See here, for G I am giving this art. It's looking different, right? This is also one type of art. I already told you in the session of calligraphy, you can give strokes, everything. Here the curves, you can give lines like this, slanting lines. Yeah, slanting lines. So art is very different from the last time I told in that handwriting pencil shading calligraphy also to draw like this, but I didn't told about the art. This is one type of art, so I introduced in that only, that video only. You can give dot after two lines, then it will be very nice to see. Yes, why I am telling is this will make the children to learn so many variations, so many things here. You know that greater than, less than symbols, you know, no? You can give like this also. So one time greater than, one time less than, one time greater than, one dots between that. Don't forget to give dots, it will make the sense of handwriting very nicely shows. So next here you can give down stroke, upward stroke, down stroke, upward stroke, down stroke, upward stroke. That is the curve. Down curve, side curve, left curve, right curve, down curve, upward curve. You can use whatever you want. It is one time. Keep dots between that. See, it is looking differently, right? So find your child fine motor skills will develop with this, and you can draw like this, slanting lines, sleeping lines, slanting lines. This is basic. You can have so many, we have so many arts, mandala art, whatever it may be, we have so many arts. For that arts also you can mingle with this, you can do. And after completing this you can use flower brackets, like this, shading of flowers like this, you can use like this. It is a curve and also a flower, so you can use like this and keep dots. So diamond shapes, you can use diamond shapes also, but don't forget to keep dots in between that, it will give look to that. Okay, it will give look, and a different format will come here. You can give like this, or else circles, small to long circles. Yeah, whatever you want, you can learn so many things here. Circles, yeah. Don't forget to keep dots, as I already told. Dots is very important. See, here is something clumsy. Okay, you can click like this and like this. Circle is very important. Dots. Yeah, goodbye. It's very nice to look. You can give shading like this. Goodbye. So yes, this is finest. Goodbye. So this is the introductory video of doodle art. If you like it, come on, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.